This is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I will show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. If you are not getting the phone calls that you are supposed to receive, first check if your phone is in the Do Not Disturb or airplane mode, and if it is true in your case, switch both of those modes off, since they do not allow your device to receive phone calls, while the airplane mode does not allow for that, while the Do Not Disturb mode simply silences them and, well, auto skips the phone calls so they are not getting to you directly. If that didn't help, or if you haven't had those modes switched on, next step is to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category, go into the mobile network, select the SIM card you're having issues with, and switch off the VoLTE option. Even though this little feature is designed to improve the phone calls quality using the LTE or mobile or cellular network, sometimes it may interfere with your ability to receive phone calls, so it is worth trying to, well, switch it off. Then, if that didn't help either, you can try taking the SIM card tray out, wiping your SIM card's contact point with ethanol or other electronic friendly solution. And the final advice or tip that I have is that you contact your cellular operator or cellular provider to check if the issue lies on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.